Hey guys, Big Phil here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a unique multimedia display for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in any car. This is from the company CarPlay, and I've done so many of their displays. I've reviewed so many displays from this company, and what I love about their multimedia display is the simplicity of installation. Installing their display doesn't require any professional knowledge, and it doesn't require any disassembly of your dashboard. So installing it, man, is super simple. I mean, their display also have great quality, like HD quality, but to me, the simplicity is, there's nothing come close to that. So in today's video, we're gonna check out this one, find out why is it unique, and check out everything that comes in the box, install it in my car, then talk more about other features. Now, some of the features in this display include phone link, navigation, that means you can have Google Map or Waze in your car anytime, hands-free. The display is IPS. It has SD card. There's a rear view camera. So yes, in this box, there's a camera for backup, and there's voice control. You can use the Google Voice Assistant or Siri. There is the aux input, there's FM radio, and you can connect this display by Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and now it has Bluetooth 5.0. That's good, because with Bluetooth 5, connectivity is better, the connection range is better. It has mirror link and music. Remember, as I mentioned earlier, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in any car, classic car, old cars, new cars. Listen, let's open it up. All right, so when you open it up, the first thing you can see is the display. Oh, wow, it's very slim. This is 9 inches, guys. This is 9.3 inches. And as I mentioned earlier at the beginning of this video, this system is 2-in-1. It is unique. Boom, there you go. This is the uniqueness. This system comes with a built-in dash cam. All you gotta do, push it up just like this. Now you got a dash cam. So when you install it, the dash cam is facing forward, so you can record or you can videotape your driving anytime. And the good thing about it is the fact that the dash cam can rotate 360 degrees. You see right there? So if you want to take a selfie, you can turn the camera around. All right, we're going to talk more about the display later, but first, let's see what else comes in here. Let me see, put all this. All right, we got the suction mount or the suction bracket. Now you can install the display by using this suction bracket right here. And there's another one I'm going to show you guys later. But this one, you can extend it. Let me see. Forward or backward, just like this. And it's swivel too. All right, let's see what else comes in here. All right, backup camera, guys. Good resolution backup camera, man. I'm using one of these in my car. The resolution is amazing. Yeah. Nice build quality. It's made of metal, waterproof, and long cable. So this, when you install it at the back of your car, the cable can come right into the car until you get into the display. So the cable is very long. Let's see what else. All right, this is another bracket, another mount. I prefer this one. I like this one better than the suction bracket. I love this one. In my car, I'm using right now in my car the 10.3 inches CarPlay display, and this is a system. This is the mount I use. Okay, this one is nice. Oh, with this, you can move it around. Oh, this is different from the one I have in my car right now. So this is a new system. All right, there is the aux cable and the power cable, which is USB Type-C to the 12-volt input. And there is, oh nice, this is nice. There is a USB input right here, so you can charge your smartphone while the display is powered up. a quick start guide. Now for the display, it is 9.3 inches of 2.5 HDR resolution. So it's a good quality resolution, good quality display. And I like this form factor right here. It is slim and long. I like it because a form factor like this, when you install it on your dashboard, it doesn't block your view when you're driving. On top, there is a power button right here, which you can turn off the display, or if you press once, it will put the display in sleep mode. So at nighttime, if you don't want too much light from the display, you just press once. And on the corner here, these are the different ports. There is a USB-C input. That's where you're going to power on the display. There is AV in for the camera, the backup camera. There is an SD card slot. Oh, wow. And it comes with a free SD card. Let me see how many gigabyte was the storage of the SD card. All right, nice. 64 gigabyte, guys. It comes in here. Oh, that's cool. And this is the aux input. At the back, the camera. As I mentioned earlier, I love it, man. I love the fact that there is a dash cam because dash cams are very important in case you have an accident. Two-in-one. A multimedia display and a dash cam, which you can keep it up at the back. And it swivels, as I mentioned earlier. 360 degree. You can use it to take selfies, or you can use it for recording a video in the car. And the lens can swivel 360 degree. And this is where you mount the display on your dashboard. So I'm going to use this one right here. This is a mount I'm going to use. I just have to put it like this. It's very simple, man, like really simple. You put it like this and you push it up. That's it. You see that? Simple. You place it on your dashboard. All right, guys, the system is now installed in my car. I installed it a few days ago. After I unboxed it, I installed it in my car and I decided to use it for a few days so I could really get a full experience about this multimedia display before I'll be able to tell you guys my experience and my final thoughts about it. Now, as usual, very simple to install. The installation is so simple. With this new display, it's even much easier than the previous one. So it's a very simple display to install. Anybody could install it in your car. You don't need any professional knowledge. So that's one great thing about copyright displays. Secondly, the display quality is good. Now, don't expect a smartphone quality display on this. No, it's not as good as the modern smartphones, but it is very good. 2.5K, the resolution is very good. Google Map looks great on it. Waze looks great on it. Apple CarPlay looks fantastic on it. The color is really good. The brightness, very good brightness. So even when you're driving out there with a lot of sunlight, in broad daylight, you could see map, you could see everything really good on the display. So it's a very good display. And I love the form factor because it doesn't block your view when you're driving. It's very slim and long. So I like that. And now for the camera, the dash cam camera is really good resolution. It can record video up to 4K. Yes, guys, 4K video. And the quality is really good. The dynamic range is so good. Like even when you're driving out there with so much sunshine, you could still see the clouds really good. So the quality of the camera is really good. And it has a wide angle at 170 degree view. And the lens also is good at f2.0. That means you'll be able to shoot good quality video both in the daytime and at nighttime. Another thing I love about this display, the dash cam, is the fact that it records automatically all the time. So you always have footage at all the time. In case there's any unfortunate situation, you have a video to back up. So as you can see right here, the resolution is very good and you can split the screen in 3 different parts. So the dash cam is on one side, the map, and the music that's playing on one side. Or you could simply just split it in 2, so you can split the screen. But if you just want to use one screen at a time, then you got to go back to the settings. Then you change from the split screen mode to full screen. Right there. Now, if you have the camera on, the camera takes the full screen. And man, check out the dynamic range. The dynamic range is really good. As you can see right there, beautiful dynamic range, man. Beautiful display. The camera quality is very good. Yeah, looks good. So you can also record a video in the car. All you gotta do is to spin the camera around, because the camera can be spun 360 degrees. Now it's recording within the car. As you can see right here, it's recording in the car. So you can also take a selfie, because the dash cam can take photos too. So you can either record videos or take photos within or outside the car. Gotta spin it around. Now you can push the camera down and it's still recording. Yeah, it stays down just like this. I mean, it looks like a normal screen. So, and also there is an assistive touch right here, which gives a shortcut to the home screen, to the volume, the camera, or the brightness. Oh, I like this assistive. See, it stays right here. You can move it around and put it anywhere you want to put it. Now, if I want to go to the full cameras, I tap right there. So having an assistive touch is a good thing. Oh man, I like this display, man. I would say so far is the best from CarPlay. I've used different CarPlay display, but this right here is my favorite as of right now. And let me know down in the comment section if you have any question about it. Just drop it down in the comment section. I'll reply to all questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for a lot of good videos come up on Big Phil TV.